Hello architecture students. In this video I'm going to show you how to draw a 2-foot wide sliding window. Okay, now the sliding window, the 2-foot wide sliding window is going to go in my bathrooms. Now there is no building code that governs the size of this window. It is mainly meant for ventilation, to vent out moisture and things like that. Now you can also, well, I guess the only code that does cover the bathroom when it comes to windows is that you have some type of exhaust in the bathroom. So that could be either a window, an openable window, or an exhaust fan. So in the future, you might want to just draw an exhaust fan, either one. But I'm going to show you how to do the window, and we're going to use that in our bathrooms. So it's a 1-foot window, and it's drawn according to the exterior wall thickness. So I'm going to get a line tool, and I'm going to draw a 10.5 inch vertical line. Zoom into it, and of course I'm on the wrong layer. So I'm going to click on that vertical line and change it to the window layer. Okay, now once I get off of that, it defaults back to the exterior wall layer. So I'm going to click on that again and set it for the windows layer. Now I'm going to offset that 2 feet because that's the width of my window, is 2 feet. I'm going to draw a line down the center. I'm going to offset that line 2 inches. And this is going to be very much like we did the sliding door, but it's going to be a window. And then I'm going to go ahead and offset these outside lines 1 inch. And then I'm going to cap the tops and bottoms of those sections. Okay, and this is going to be a window that goes to the outside. It may or may not have a ledge, but we're going to go ahead and put a ledge on it anyway. Come out 2 inches. Okay, come down 2 inches. Okay, and let's see, 2 foot plus 6 inches. So 24 inches plus 6 inches is 30 inches. Okay, then I'm going to kind of match my geometry to get those guidelines. Here we go. Now, to make the sliding portion so that people can tell it's a sliding window. Come to the center. I'm going to draw a line straight down. I'm going to offset this line in both directions 2 inches. Okay. Now I'm going to go to the trim tool and do some trimming. Now this part is going to be the actual window sash, and it's going to extend all the way out to here. So I'm going to take that line off and that line off. All right, this line here is going to be part of this sash. It's going to go all the way through, so I'm going to take this line off and this line off. And then, because this is not part of the window, I'm going to take those off. So now we have a 2-foot horizontal sliding window. Go to the Insert tab, Create Block, 2 FT, and I could put H, sliding window. That H just means horizontal. These are checked as they should be. Okay. Select the insertion point. Let's see. I say it's going to be hard to choose the center, but I can actually on that line right there, the one that goes through the center. And then select the object. Enter. And you have a whole block. I'm going to take this block, grab it by the grip. This is one of my bathrooms. And I'm going to find the center of the wall, and again, I might have to do some trimming to get that. I'm going to drop the window here quickly. Go home, trim tool again, trim that out, and that should give me the center. Okay, so I found the center right there. I'm going to rotate. Click here, just rotate it by that same point. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to zoom in. I'm going to select the window. I'm going to move, and I'm going to use this right here as my base point. That way I can just slide the window using my guidelines straight out till I come in contact with that line. Okay, and there's a 2-foot sliding window. Hit the trim tool, trim this out and this out. And there we go, 2-foot sliding window for my bathroom.